Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to go run some errands and I thought I would take you along with me. So we just got our car back from the shop. It was literally like not working for 2 months. So I'm gonna go take it through the car wash, and this car wash is pretty cool. And then I just have to run into Target and get my Jonas ready for young men's camp, which means he's gonna be going to church camp for about a week. So I need to make sure everything is set up because he's leaving tomorrow. It's his first time, so let's get things going, get things ready for him, and let's just see what gets done today. Here we are at the car wash. You can see my windshield needs it, and you should see the outside. Okay, here's that favorite part. We love these little car washes that we can go through. As part of this car wash, it includes free vacuuming as well. So I'm just gonna clean the inside and hopefully it will look and smell a ton better. This is like the teenager car, so it's now gonna be my car, so I need to make sure it's nice and clean. I am all done. I'll show you outside in a minute, but just take my word for it, so much better. So yeah, it's nice and cleaned in here, and I might have found a piece of a chicken nugget. Pretty gross, right? On to the next place. So much cleaner. Gotta go return something, get a couple of things ready for Jonas's camp out, and here we go. In the camping area, and I need to find Jonas here it is. Emergency ponchos. Where we live in southern Nevada through southern Utah, which is where the boys are going on their camp out. There are like impromptu monsoon storms like that happen all the time. In fact, I should show you outside in the sky. You can see offhand, I saw already some lightning over the mountains. It's like 105 degrees, and then we have to worry about monsoon rains, which makes it ultra sticky here. So poncho ready. I should mosey up and down the aisle since I don't have kids here to be like, Mom, get me this, or have to hurry up. I can actually look at everything. Who out there loves the Magnolia Home stuff at Target? Oh my gosh. So pretty. Yes, thank you, Joanna Gaines. But look at these. These are gorgeous. Where would I put something like that? Here's some more. Oh my gosh. I love these little things. It's probably like, $15. Yeah, teeny tiny. But they're so cute. Ooh, love that. The flour sacks. And eucalyptus. That's so pretty. I can see why people spend a lot of money at Target. So what I end up doing is I got myself a DDP to reward myself for cleaning the car. Plus I got some cupcakes for the kids. See, always for the kids, right? Wouldn't have it any other way though. So let me get back home and start packing Jonas's stuff. Looky, just pulled up. Looks like Paul's making something else. I know what he's making, but do you know what he's making? Look at that pile of wood back there.
It's hot out here.
It is hot. And look at that ice cream truck. Isn't that like synonymous with summer as the ice cream truck and kids? Oh, yes. So I think we have everything on this list. Yeah, it was aside from a flashlight. So I will get everything ready because they are leaving bright and early in the morning. Okay, bright and early, 9 o'clock, early for summer. So I'm gonna get everything put together, and he's got a cot right here, and it's all going in here. We've had some experience having 2 older boys doing scout camps, so now it's just kind of like throw everything in pretty much. So I think we have it all, just got to get the flashlight. Let's do this. So we have enough for 5 days, even though he's going to be gone for 4, And each pair of shorts are like kind of like that swimsuit material. So he could go swimming really in any of those shorts. But I have his swim stuff, his bedding or his pajamas, towel, and an extra change of shoes because I know they'll get wet, hat, and now I have to get his pillow and his sleeping bag. All right, I think Jonas is mostly ready. What do you think? Does it feel heavy? Not too bad? Okay, turn around. Let's take a look at that big backpack. Whoa, that thing's like half your size. And there's plenty of room for more things in there too. So we have a couple more things to put in, like a flashlight and a water bottle, and then maybe some other things, but he's got his cot and sleeping bag over here. Are you excited to go? Should be fun, right? So how long are you gonna be there for?
Tuesday to Friday.
Tuesday through Friday, so 4 days, and mostly it's gonna be in the water, huh? Every day is like a water something. So he has that insect repellent and lots of sunscreen. Do you think you'll miss us? You will? Aw, we'll miss you too, but you'll do a good job. You'll have so much fun. Ooh, we got to give you a haircut tonight. Shave that off. Ooh. So we're all done with the packing, and now it is time to get ready for dinner. So I'm just going to make something super easy, and I probably have told you about it before. Don't mind this. Oh, Lanta, more to unpack. Actually, I just thought I'd leave the tent for Ezra to play in until the next session. So, yeah. But we're making cheddar broccoli potatoes. So all I'm doing is just washing off some potatoes, and I'm just gonna wrap them up, put them in the oven, and cook them. Easy peasy, right? And then I'm just gonna make like a sauce that's gonna go on top of it. That's just gonna be made of cream of chicken soup and some broccoli. So easy. I'm just steaming that, and it looks like it's mostly done. And now I'm just going to put that aside and heat through some cream of chicken soup with some cheddar cheese, and then bring the broccoli back together. Boom, done. So here it is. I've prepped some of the potatoes. All I've done is put a little bit of butter, and here's the yummy cheesy sauce with it. So good. And literally that's it. I had a little bit of rotisserie chicken left in the fridge, so I just added it to the soup, and voila, dinner is done. And then I always make one for Paul's lunch for tomorrow, because then it's just one less thing he has to do in the morning, and we're just trying to save money, so he takes a lunch. So there you go. Things are happening. He's got a bunch of stuff cut back there. And you said this is the last piece of wood?
This is it, yep.
And he's got all of these over here. And I can't wait. I'm so excited. Just letting Ezra play outside. He's not been feeling the best, but... So dinner was wonderful. I've got lots of stuff done today. So tomorrow morning I'll take you along with me as we take Jonas to the drop-off point, and then we say goodbye to him for about a week. So I know I'll bring you along. I know it's a lot, but I'm kind of used to it now. And they really do enjoy themselves. And those potatoes are easypeasybomb.com, really. So I'll bring y'all along tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's now bright and early, almost time to get Jonas to the destination. So Ezra's gonna, it's just one of our neighbors. He's just in our neighborhood, but we have to get all his camping gear in the car. And Ezra and I will take Jonas in a few minutes. Exciting.
Now that's the first thing.
So we are on our way to take Jonas. He's got his pack. He's got sunglasses. He's all set. And then I have a water bottle here for you, but are you so excited? All right, let's go. There he goes. There goes Jonas. And that's it. We just dropped off Jonas. He's going to have a super fun time. And so now I just have my little buddy with me because Kobe, he goes to work. So it'll just be me and Ezra. We're going to have so much fun. But I might need some suggestions. What do you think we should do? Maybe we should have a
Dance party.
dance party. Woo woo. No Jonas. I'm just kidding. We're gonna miss him, but we know he's gonna have a lot of fun. So thanks for stopping by my channel. Give this video a thumbs up for Jonas. Let me know in the comments what fun things we should do. And stick around.
You just never
Or know what I'll be.
rolling out.
Next.
Bye.